create YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you on how you can create your YouTube channel. If you are using a mobile phone, I'm going to share with you on how you can switch your mobile phone to a desktop mode and how you can go to the YouTube studio and create your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time seeing our video here on YouTube and you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the button there and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload video based on this topic, you will have access to it. So in this video, I'm going to share with you everything you need to know on how to create your YouTube channel with your laptop or with your mobile phone.
You go to your browser, then you first of all type OKPOTATV, then you send it. If you are using a mobile phone, Chrome, you add the three dots, you go there, you will see setting. So from there, after you have touched it, you will scroll and look for a desktop mode. Just look around your browser. So from here now you can see it here, desktop site or desktop mode. Then you turn it on for you to access the YouTube studio. So you touch it like this. You can see that everything here now is displaying just the way my PC is from here now. You can see from here now. So the next you're going to do, after you have typed the Okota TV, then the next you're going to do is that you type studio.youtube.com. Then you send it. You send it for it to load. So from here now, after you have typed it, you will see the YouTube studio here. You will see the YouTube studio at the first, where you will see https://studio.youtube.com. You will see this option there. And if you are using mobile phone, you will also see it here. You can see YouTube studio here, and the same URL, which is https://studio.youtube.com. You will see it here. So the next you're going to do is that you touch it. If you have created your Gmail before, the email will show, your email will show here. If you have created it before, it will show here. But if you have not created it, it will show empty, just the way the PC is showing here. So from here now, what you will do is that if you have not created it before, you just sign in, which is what is displaying on the PC. Now I want to sign in my another email address, which is you use here, use another account. But on my PC here, you can see log in. But if you don't have any email address, you just enter here to create your new email address. But if you already have email address, you just go here, then you log in. So I'm going to log in from here now. I'm using another email address entirely for this video. So you can see from my screen here, what you will do is that you come to this first option here, you type the name when you want to use for the channel. So from here now, I'll type Okota TV training or TRO. After you have typed it, you will see this green circle here showing good. You can see it here. Here the arrow is pointing to. Then once you get it like that, mean that you are allowed to go with that name. So the next thing you are going to do is for you to come to create channel. So you come to this option where the arrow and the hand is pointing to. So you touch it for you to create your channel, and you can see loading on the screen. So once you have clicked on the create channel, it will show you exactly what is showing on my screen here, showing welcome to YouTube Studio, and you can see it on the mobile phone here. So from there, you click on the continue where the arrow is pointing to. You click on the continue there. Then welcome to your YouTube studio. So that is how you create your YouTube studio. The next session now is how you can customize and optimize it for SEO.
If this video really helped you and you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload video based on this topic, you'll be the first person to see it. And if there's anywhere you don't understand in this video, you can drop it in the comment section and I will come to answer each and every comment on the comment section there. Like the video and share it with your friends that are in need of it.